Hi, in this lesson, let's see what are the different types of ads that are possible from the demand gen campaign. So let's understand this with the help of what are the types of ads that we can create through this demand gen campaign. So I am in the ads level here. If you observe here, you see here single image ad, video ad and carousel image ad. Through demand gen, we can create these three types of ads. Right, let's first understand what are the single image ad and carousel image ad. Okay, so before that, you all know, right, where are the ads from the demand gen campaign will appear. So demand gen ads will appear in the YouTube, Discover and Gmail, and according to the device you are using, it will appear, right? So let's see how this single image ad and the carousel image ad appears, right? So I'm opening my mobile YouTube app. So this is the one, right? So here let's scroll and observe the ads, right? So here you see this is one ad. Let's see. So this is a single image. Let's see whether this is from which campaign. So I'm clicking on this ad and let's wait. So go to the open in Chrome. Nice. Let's see. Okay, so copy this URL and go to the notes here, and I am pasting it here. Paste. So you see here, this is a single image ad. If you observe in the this URL, the advertiser has placed some tracking parameters. You see, the UTM medium is equal to demand gen and the campaign name is equal to paradise demand gen, right? So this is a single image ad that is appeared from the or that has appeared on YouTube, right? So let's again go into the YouTube, right? Let's go into YouTube and let's scroll down again. Let's see if we see any of that. Let's click on it. So this is also a single image ad. Let's see from which campaign it got appeared here. So I'm clicking on it and go to the Chrome again, and let's copy this one. Copy, and again we note the URL here, the bottom, and paste it here, right? Nice. Let's see. So let's observe the landing page here. So this is also from the demand gen campaign, right? So this is a single image ad once again. So let's look for any of the carousel ads. Let's scroll down slowly and let's observe. So this is also a single image ad. We don't want it. And you see here. So here you see 1/3. So I have told you, right? So in the carousel ads, we will be having some cards. Likewise, we can give 10 cards, and in each card you can give images. So up to 3 images you can give. So when the carousel ad appears, so it will be appearing like a multiple ad format. You see here, when you scroll to the right side, so the images are getting changed, right? So this is the carousel ad format that is possible through the demand gen campaign. If you observe here, in the headlines also, when you change these images, it is also getting changed. You see, right? I hope you are understanding me how these carousel ads appear. So when you give the card along with the images, you can also provide the headlines and the descriptions. You can also provide different URLs according to the strategy you are building. But this is how the carousel ads appear through the demand gen campaign, right? So let's click on it. Okay, I'm clicking on it and let's see. So open in Chrome. So copy the URL. So go here and let's paste it here, right? If you observe here, you see, so the campaign, it is a discovery. Discovery means, as I told you previously, demand gen campaign is called as discovery, but the campaign name, you see, this is a demand gen, right? So I hope you are understanding how these single image ads and the carousel ads appear from the demand gen campaign and how we can make use of it, right? So now you have seen the single image ad and carousel image ads, right? So we will see what is video ad later in the next coming sessions, because video ads are very easy to identify. Okay, So you can see at the in stream level or in between the videos. You can see these in the shorts. So these are easy to identify, but I hope you have understood the difference between single image ad and the carousel ad. Now let's see where are these images or where are these ads appear on these respective platforms. If you come to the single image ads, you see here in the single image ads only a single image will be shown, okay, and these are possible in the mobile and desktop. And in mobile, you see here the ads will appear in the YouTube, Discover, and in Gmail. And in YouTube, there are different placements: YouTube in feed and YouTube Shorts, where ads will appear in the Shorts as well. And in the feed, we have three places: one is home feed, watch feed, and search feed, right? So what are these? So let's go into the YouTube. Once see it. So this is the YouTube, okay. So I'm going here. So this is the home page, right? Here your ads can appear. So this is the home page. So this is the home feed, right? So I hope you are understanding this. And next is the watch feed. Watch feed means when you play a video, let's say I am playing this video, okay, let's play this one. So when I play a video, the ad will appear when you scroll down in this feed. In between these videos, your ad will appear. So this is the watch feed, right? And next is the search feed. Let's say here I search for let's say I search for insurance, LIC insurance policy details, right? So this is a search feed. If you see here, this is an ad that has appeared, right? So in this way, here also your ads will appear. This is also an ad that has appeared in the search results, right? Similarly, in the mobile as well, you can see the same. So I am opening my mobile again, right? If you see here, this is the home page. I am scrolling down, right? So you see here, this is a single image ad. So I hope you are understanding me. And this is also, you see here, this is a carousel ad, right? Here we can scroll the images, and if you observe here, here also the details, the headline is changing according to the image, right? As I told you, this is a carousel ad. Let's scroll down further and see. Next. So this is a single image ad. So unless you click on it, you cannot tell from which campaign it is appearing for the single image ads. But for the carousel ads, as I told you, carousel ads are only possible through the demand gen campaign, right? This is the carousel ads and it is possible only through the demand gen campaign. But for the single image ads, you cannot tell from which campaign it is showing, right? Unless you click on it. If you click on it, if a user, if the advertiser has placed any tracking parameters, and in that you can observe it. And this is the home page, okay? So watch feed. Let's see watch feed. What is meant by watch feed? So let's say I click on this video, or let's say let's go for any of the videos. Let's say this one. Let's say I am playing this video, okay? You see here, I am scrolling down. The ad appears in this watch feed. You see, this is an ad. This is an ad, right? So I hope you are understanding me. So this is an ad that has appeared in the watch feed. So what is the search feed then? So here I am searching for, let's say here I am searching for again LIC insurance, right? So in the search feed, you can see the ad. You see, this is an ad that has appeared, right? So this is how the feed, or this is how the ads appear in this watch, search, and home feeds, okay? So I hope you have understanding these differences. Let's also see the ads, how they appear in discovery, okay? So I am scrolling to the left. So this is the discovery. I am refreshing it, right? So let's scroll down. So this is an ad. You see, this is an ad, right? So this is a video ad. I have told you, right? Video ads are possible in the discovery. In the discovery, video ads are possible only through the demand gen campaign, right? So please remember this. I will explain you in the next coming part. But video ads are possible in the demand, in the discovery. Video ads are possible only through the demand gen and from the PMax, right? Please remember this one. Let's scroll down further and let's see. You see, this is also an ad. Okay, so this is how the ads appear in the demand, in the discovery. This is also one another ad, right? So I hope you are understanding these ad formats, how they appear on different platforms, different tools, right? And I hope you have understood. Let's move to the next part. So what is it? So next is the YouTube Shorts, right? So I'm opening again my app. So let's go for the YouTube, and if you see here we have Shorts. I'm clicking on it.
Hello.
I'm closing this one. I'm muting this one. Okay. So if you see, I'm scrolling all the way. So this is an ad, right? So this is how the ads appear on the Shorts. Again, I'm scrolling. You see, this is also a type of ad. So I hope you are understanding me how these ads appear on the Shorts, right? So I'm going back again. So we have seen all these formats, right? We have seen home, how the ads appear in the home, and how the ads appear in the watch feed, and how the ads appear on the search feed. We have also seen how the ads appear on the YouTube Shorts, right? So we have also seen how the ads appear on the Discover, right? So we have seen a video ad and we have seen single image ad. So we have also seen ads how they appear on Gmail, right? Let's again see as part of this module, okay? So that we don't miss any of the topic, right? So here if you see, or if you see here, you see these are the sponsored, right? These are the sponsored ads. See here, these are the sponsored. When you click on it, you see this is how the ads appear, right? So next we move to the next part. So you have seen, right, how these ads appear, and next is the desktop. So in the desktop as well, you have YouTube, and in YouTube you have infeed, home, search, and watch. In all these places your ads will appear. So in the Gmail your ads will appear. So here there is one difference. For the desktop there is no discovery, right? So discover is only present in the mobiles. So please remember this one. So that is why for desktop there we don't have discover. So I am closing this one. So we have seen how these ads appear in the single image ad format, right? So next is the carousel image. So we have seen we have seen what is carousel image, right? We can scroll the images. So that is the carousel image. So it can appear in all these platforms. It can appear in feed, and it can appear on Discover, and it can appear on Gmail. And when it comes to desktop, it can appear only on the Gmail and no other placements, right? So this is how the carousel image ads, or these are the places where the carousel image ads appears. So next is the video ad. If you see for the mobiles, video ads from the demand gen are applicable or viewable in the YouTube in feed, YouTube in stream, and in YouTube Shorts. And in the mobile also we can see it in the Discover. So if you remember previously, I have shown you, right, when I open in the Discover at the first time we have seen a video ad, right? That is from the demand gen campaign, that is from this video ad format, right? So next for the desktop. So here you can see it in this YouTube in feed and in the YouTube in stream, right? So these are the places where these different types of ad formats are eligible to show their ads, right? So I hope you are understanding me how these ads appear on different platforms, right? So these are the major platforms, right? For YouTube, this is the infeed. In the infeed, these are the three places where we show ads, and next is the Shorts, and next is the in stream, and Discover, Gmail. These are the places where the ads from the demand gen campaign will appear, right? So this is a overview of what we have learned till now, where our ads appear. So I suggest you go through this lesson so that you will have an idea of where these ads will appear and through which ad formats these ads can be possible, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson. So there is one more thing that I wanted to discuss with you. There is this article from the Google. You see, when you type in the Google, you can type this in the Google: demand gen campaign asset specs and best practices. So I suggest you to go through this article. Here you can see different ad formats that are possible from this demand gen campaign ad types, right? You see, for the single image ads, these are the different ad formats, and here you can see what are the requirements. So what should be the aspect ratios for these images, okay? What should be the dimensions of the images that you are providing? You see, for the landscape image, square image, portrait image, right? These are the requirements, okay? I suggest you to go through this article once so that you will have a clear picture of what we required. So this is the carousel ad. For the carousel ad, your ad appears in these places, right? And these are the requirements, and these are the specifications of the images, right? And this is for the video ads. So we have seen practically, right, how they appear on the devices and desktop device. So, and these are the specifications required for the device ads. So I suggest you to go through this article so that you will have a clear picture of what and how we need those assets, right? So we will meet in the next class.